Basically, you'll be seated with hands on fingers and legs inside the boat at all times, and please supervise your children.
No supervising me. I'm
Godzilla duck.
Yeah.
Right now, we are entering the dark with Monstro the Whale, but don't worry folks, Monster won't be swallowing us tonight. Instead, he'll be transporting us to a magical place called Storybook Land. Coming up on your right is the story of the three little pigs, where one afternoon as they found wolves tried to blow down their home. One made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of wolf-proof bricks.
Giant duck.
No. I don't know.
Coming up just around the corner is the quiet place, Bliss Village, where Alice followed a white rabbit down a path and fell deep, deep down into Wonderland, where things got curiouser and curiouser from there. And on your right is London Park, where Wendy, Michael, John, Peter Pan, and Tinkerbell all flew over on their way to Neverland, where they would never ever grow up.
Giant duck.
Oh man, look at that one. It looks so real.
Just up ahead is the kingdom where Princess Jasmine and Aladdin had first met, where Aladdin had not only stolen local bread, but had also stolen Princess Jasmine's heart.
Aww.
Where if you venture far enough inside, you might be granted 3 wishes from the east. Let's take a wish inside and see if it comes true. And over on your right is a small cottage of the 7 doors, where Snow White had fled to retreat during the escape from the evil queen. On your left is the blue chateau where Cinderella lived with her evil stepmother and stepsisters, where one evening she was granted a wish by her fairy godmother and was able to go to the ball and meet her Prince Charming, and eventually live happily ever after. Over on your left are the sexy homes inspired by the 1933 Surrey Symphony, where thanks to Tinkerbell's pixie dust, these symphonies stay small forever. First thing going up Mr. Toad's at home right now. He's on a wild ride to nowhere in particular.
That with the purple flowers.
And coming up is the kingdom of Arendelle, where Princess Anna and Queen Elsa fell met through the bonds of sisterly love and anything is possible.
Looks like a little pine tree.
Just up ahead is Alpine, where this harbor meets the meadow, where this is on the star who could be public to become a real boy. They are the blue fairies that enchanting wish. is where little mermaid named Ariel traded in her sins for life, and lived happily ever after in the kingdom by the sea. As we approach the dock, we see that we are continuing inside the boat at all times. But once we come to a full and complete stop and I've indicated in do so, I will count to 3 and we will all stand up and exit the boat together.